Hello, this is Darin Martineau from Master Magic University, and this is the product I call Open Prediction Variations Volume 2, and this is 19.99, and you're going to get learn 12 amazing new card magic routines. It includes 12 instructional videos, so you're going to get Box Card Force in Switch 1, Box Card Force in Switch 2, the Open Prediction 1, which is created by Ed Marlowe, Open Prediction 2, Open Prediction number 3 variation. You're going to get the effect Divination created by Al Leach, which is the origins of the effect called Untouched, made famous by Darin Martineau. You're going to learn my variation of By Touch Alone, which is created by Harlan Tarbell, a wonderful effect. You're going to learn the Double Prediction created by Charles T. Jordan, and Di Vernon used this in his repertoire as well. You're going to learn my original double future prediction, which is a thought of um, think of any number and select any card, and the prediction's going to match. It's a very impossible mentalism effect. You're going to learn my original effect I call the future prediction, which is kind of like an invisible deck type of effect with a regular deck. You're going to learn an effect called the ultimate match, which is created by Carl Fulves, which is a fooler. You're going to learn my brand new original effect called the X Factor, which is based on an effect by my mentor Alan Ackerman and Ed Marlowe. So this is the Open Predictions Variations Volume 2, and click on the link to get this now. Thank you.